Have you ever seen how a dog eats? Have you noticed that he only lifts his head from the plate when the plate of food is empty? He's not hungry because he eats every day. Dogs, like all other animals, appreciate the food they eat, and they don't play with it. They know that food is indispensable for their growth. And that's why they never play or damage food. And what about you? What do you do when you eat? You should know that eating well is very important to have a good digestion. And your tummy doesn't feel funny. Animals know this. And that's why they never play or move while having their food.